Hello! Key Influencers is an AI visual that helps you determine which factors influence the most a given metric. Also, you can use this visual to find outliers in your report. Let's see how to use Key Influencers visual.
We'll start with a simple dataset, which consists of three tables: items, partners, and transactions. I pre-added a slicer based on classification column. You will see its purpose in a few moments later. To add a Key Influencers visual, go to Insert Ribbon and then click the Key Influencers button. A placeholder will show on the report canvas. Change its position and dimension. First, you should add a measure to analyze field. I will add sum of quantities. Further, in the field Explain By, we should add a column by which dataset should be analyzed. Let's add manufacturers. After short time, you will get a Key Influencers analysis. On the left side of the screen, you will see manufacturers that drive the sales with short description of the sales statistics. On the right side of the screen, you will see a chart in which you can see all the manufacturers or only key influencers. You can also choose whether to monitor the increase or decrease of the indicators. You could also add more fields to Explain By field to run a more complex analysis. For example, let's add brand. Now we have analysis by manufacturer and a brand. Expand By field is used to change the level of the analysis for measures and summarize columns without adding new influencers. For example, let us add sales revenue to analyze and sum of quantity to expand by. Key Influencers visual has two tabs. The first one is used to analyze each contributing factor individually. Top Segments tab is used to analyze segments, which are combinations of factors that affect a given metric. Key Influencers visual could be affected by other visuals, such as the slicer we have previously added to the report. Have in mind that you should have enough data to get report about influencers. Now you know how to use key influencers visual. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.